Hello children, welcome back to computer class. Today we are going to learn the remaining concepts in chapter 5, that is more editing features of MS Word. Okay, in last class we have studied about spelling and grammar. We have also studied about using autocorrect. Okay, and then we have studied about how to use the thesaurus. Okay, now we are today, and also we have studied about find and replace. Fine. So today we are going to cover the remaining concepts of this chapter. Now the topics that we are going to cover in today's class are: first we will see about bullets and numbering, and secondly we will see about symbols and special characters. How to insert bulleting before the text, and also how to use the numbering for the specifying the sequence of the text. Okay, and then we will see about symbols and special characters. Now first we are going to see about bullets and numbering. Now sometimes we want to draw the reader's attention to a list of items. Okay, we want that a certain content inside the document to be highlighted. Okay, we want that whenever user reads that document, his attention should first go on that certain list of items. Okay, we do it by putting a bullet before each of the items in the list. Okay. Now, how to enter the bullets before the list of items? How bullets mark a very important role inside the document. Okay, we can use bullets to mark the item when their order does not matter. Fine. Now, and also we are going to see a numbering list. Numbered list is used for listing a sequence of events or steps. Okay, a numbered list is used for listing a sequence of events or steps. Fine. Now, sometimes we want to draw the reader's attention to a list of items. We do it by putting a bullet before each of the items in the list, and bullets make the content, the list, very important. Okay. These are the few things about bullets, and the next thing that we are going to see is about numbering. A numbered list is used for listing a sequence of items, for listing a sequence of events, or for listing a sequence of items, or anything, or steps. Okay. Numbered list is used whenever the sequence is important. Okay, that time we can use the numbered list. Whenever sequence is not important, we can use this bullet list. Okay, we can use either of this depending on our requirements. Now we will see how to create a bulleted or numbered list as you type. Okay, then we are going to see about adding bullets to the existing list and adding numbers to the existing list. Fine. Now we will see first how to add first bullet or numbers when you type to the list, and we will also see after creating the list how to add the bullets or how to add the numbers after creating the list. Fine. These two things we can see, and whichever is comfortable with you, you can use that. Now first we are going to see how to insert bullets while we type. Okay, how to insert the bullet list while we list the contents in our document. Fine. Now by default when we open the Word document, we are inside the Home tab. Okay, so inside the Home tab there is one section of paragraph. Inside that paragraph section, you will find in the leftmost top part of that paragraph section, you will find one section of bullets. Okay, and beside that bullets you will see one drop down arrow. Click on that drop down arrow and you can choose whichever bullets you want. Fine. Suppose I am choosing this black dot. Okay, click on that and bullet gets listed. Now we can type our list. For example, output devices, monitor. Okay, next. See, while we type our next list, the bullet automatically comes. Okay, in our list. Next, suppose printer, Fine. In this way we can insert the bullets inside while we type our list. Okay, then next, and when we press enter, the bullet automatically gets added. Fine. Speakers. So these are the this is the way how to add bullets to our list. Fine. Now next is how to add numbers while we type our list. Okay, numbers, for example, input devices. Fine. Now inside the input devices, the again you have to move inside the home tab. Inside the home tab, one section you will find of paragraph, and inside that paragraph, beside this bullet section, beside this bullet option, you will find one option of entering numbering. Okay, numbering list, create a numbered list. Okay, beside that numbered list you will find one drop down arrow. Click on the drop down arrow, and here you can select whichever list you want. Okay, according to you. For example, suppose I am selecting this list, number alignment is equal to left. Fine. Now suppose first content of the list is keyboard, and when you press enter, see automatically the sequence gets added to the list. Okay, 2 automatically comes. Next is mouse, for example, and again when you press enter, the sequence get continued. Fine. Joystick. These are the ways you can add bullets or you can add numbering to the list while you type the list. Okay, fine. Now for example, you have created the list, and then afterwards you want to add the bullets, the bulleting to the list, or you want to create a bulleted list, or you want to create a numbered list. Now here list has been created as you can see on the screen, but how to add the bullets to this list? First you have to select all list by pressing your left click of the mouse continuously and dragging your mouse from starting till end of the list. After selecting, again move inside this bullet option. Inside this paragraph section you will find this bullet option. Click on the drop down arrow, and when you select whichever bullet you want, whichever design you want, suppose I am selecting this, and you can see that bullets has been added. Now similarly, when you want to add the number to the list after creating the list, now suppose for example here numbers has been created, sorry, numbers not, list has been created, and you want to add the numbers to this list. Okay, select it, process is same, select all the list, then move inside this numbering section, numbering option inside the paragraph section. Okay, we are doing everything in home tab only. Inside this paragraph section you will find one numbering option. Click on the drop down arrow and click whichever numbering list you want to create. Okay, suppose for example I am creating this, and then you can see that sequence has been created. Okay, numbering has been done. Fine. Now the next and the last concept in this chapter that we are going to see is symbols and special characters. The symbols are the signs and special characters contained in the symbol dialog box. Okay, they can be inserted into the document, and similarly after inserting they can be also formatted from the document just like any other regular text. Fine. A sequence of symbols appears when we change the font. Okay. Now, also we will see about special characters. Special character tab at the dialog box contains a list of special characters and the keyboard shortcuts. And from that special characters tab, we can select whichever special character we want to enter inside our document. Fine. Now we will see how to insert symbols and special characters in the document practically. want to insert these symbols or to insert these special characters, you have to move inside insert tab. Okay, first by default we are in home tab, but to insert these symbol and special characters you have to move inside the insert tab. Inside this insert tab, at the end you will find one section of symbols. Okay, from that section of symbols you have to select the symbol option. Okay, when you click on that symbol option, you will find here many symbols that you can enter, but when you want to you want to search more symbols, you can click on more symbols. After clicking on more symbols, this dialog box appears on the screen of symbols. Okay, if you want you can either select from this list also, and if you don't find in this list you can select it from more symbols. Fine. So from here you can select any of the symbol that you want to enter inside the document, and you just have to suppose select, and then you have to click on insert. Fine. In this way you can use this dialog box, the symbols to enter inside your document. Then the next is special characters. Special characters, how you can enter? The method is same. Move inside the insert tab, go to symbol option, and from that symbol option click on more options, and when you click on more options or more symbols you have to click, then a dialog box appears on the screen, and from this dialog box you first by default you are in symbols section. Then beside the symbol section you will find one more section of special characters. Okay, click on that special characters, and then the list of the special characters appears on the screen. Check whichever special character you want to enter. Fine. Suppose for example I want to enter this copyright special character. Okay, where you just have to select that, and then you have to click on insert. Fine. In this way you can add symbols or special characters to the. Here we are done with this chapter, that is about more editing features of MS Word. Okay, now I'm attaching one worksheet with this video. You need to solve that worksheet and send it on my email. Thank you.